Hey Hoopers! Today we're going to be learning this fun combo, which is an elbow coin flip to front pass to back roll to downward escalator. Let's get started. I'm starting with the hoop in my left hand, swinging it across my body. As my right arm comes up, I bend the arm to get that elbow pointy. As I do that coin flip, the hoop is making contact with the back of my arm just above the elbow point. And as that coin flip's happening, my arm is going to straighten, and then it's going to catch the hoop with the palm of my hand facing my body. Once you caught the hoop in the right hand, you're then going to bring the hoop up towards your chest and you're going to pass it to the left hand. So the left hand also needs to come up towards your chest. Once the hoop is in your left hand, you are going to straighten the left hand as you bring the hoop down in front of your body and then back up to your side. From here, we're going to go into the back roll. For the back roll, you're essentially flicking your wrists until you feel that hoop make contact with the back of your arms and back side of the body. And then you're going to just use that momentum to do the actual back roll. From there, you're catching the hoop. Fold the hoop across your body, then straighten it downward escalator.